How do we make your logo in the sky? First, we work on making your logo suitable for a drone show. We use graphic design tools to make sure we can use it in the project. Then, we use 3D software to create animations and achieve the best perspective for the audience. Then we start programming the show with specialized software. We adjust the number of drones according to your needs. We create playful color animations with your brand guidelines. Finally, we build a preview for the show and our expert pilots fly our drones so your logo lights the sky.